Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good and having a very healthy and happy life with your family, with your friends. So my friends, my today's video, from the video title you already know, it's all about keto diet plan and it's about keto breakfast recipe. Yes my friends, already in my channel I have posted many videos on keto diet plan, full day keto diet plan, from early morning to night time keto meal plan, and already I have a very popular video in my channel. I'll give the link in the description box. So I hope you're going to get a lot of help from those videos. But today's video is going to be all about keto breakfast recipe. Just one recipe I'll be sharing with you all today that will be for breakfast, and those friends who are following keto diet plan, you will definitely get a lot of help from today's video. So what ingredients we need for today's breakfast recipe, I'll tell you in short. First of all, here you can see eggs are there, chicken, cabbage. I have already cut this cabbage in small pieces. Cheese is there, butter, then butter is there, and also here you can see olive oil. So three form of fat is there. So yes, now let's start with the recipe. First of all, here in this non-stick pan I have added 2 tablespoon of butter. You already know that what keto diet plan is all about. This is a high fat, moderate protein and very low carb diet plan. So already in my channel I have told you everything about keto diet plan in other videos, so I'll request you all to see those videos, but today I'm sharing just the recipe. So first of all, here in this butter I have added shredded cabbage. In keto diet plan you can have cabbage, you can have broccoli, you can have cauliflower, you can have avocado. So these are the vegetable choice that you can have in your keto diet plan. And since it's a very high fat diet plan, so you have to take a lot of fat throughout the day. So here you have already seen that I have added 2 tablespoon of butter into it, and now I'm frying my cabbage into it. And then here I'm adding some black pepper powder and just a little amount of salt, not much. And also I'll add lots of cheese in this. So in this diet plan, 60 to 70% of your total calorie should come from fat, and 20% or to 25% of your total calorie should come from protein, and just 5 to 10% of your total calorie should come from carbs. So you already know that it is a very low carb diet plan and high fat and moderate protein diet plan. So now my cabbage is almost ready, and at this point now I'll add chicken into it, and chicken will add the protein content in this breakfast platter. So try to add chicken in your breakfast. And also my friends, in my channel I have so many videos on full day keto meal plan, so I'll request you all to see those videos. But since you have requested me many times to share more and more keto recipes more often, so today I thought, okay, let's share one more keto breakfast recipe. So here, after adding the chicken, you can see I'm frying it well with cabbage, and the smell of roasted butter is just amazing. If you don't like having cabbage in your breakfast, or at all you don't like cabbage, then my friends, you can definitely have cauliflower, you can have broccoli, or as I told you, you can have any greens, like you can have spinach or kale. So always try to add some vegetable in your breakfast, because this is a healthy form of fiber that you can get from these veggies. So here you can see my chicken and cabbage is ready, and also I have added some cheese into it. Now it's ready, and here in this pan now I'm going to fry my eggs. So 2 eggs I have added in this olive oil. So I'm frying my eggs in olive oil, and already you have seen in butter I have made my chicken and cabbage. So here on top of the eggs I'm adding some black pepper powder or kali mirch, and also just a little amount of salt I'll add on top, and then I'll add lots of cheese into it. So those friends who love having cheese, meat, eggs, I think keto diet plan, you're going to love it. So yes, now I'm going to cover the lid and I'll wait for 2-3 minutes, and in low to medium flame these eggs will be ready. And here your eggs are perfectly cooked, well cooked, and I'm taking it out from the pan, and I'm placing it well on top of the egg and cabbage mixture. And also I have added just a little bit of oregano on top of it, and also I'll add a little bit of chili flakes on top of this breakfast platter. And this is how the perfect keto breakfast looks like. and more cheese on top of that, or you can add 1 tablespoon of olive oil too on top of that. And trust me, this is super yummy, super healthy, and also you have seen within just 5 to 10 minutes you can make this delicious keto breakfast. So I hope you have enjoyed my today's recipe. I'll see you guys super soon with other recipes. So tata, bye bye, love you.